What's up guys, this is me fixing an LG TV. It's about 10 years old. I've done this process once before about 4 years ago. My issue with a TV is that you can only switch it on and off. It gets stuck on the startup screen and it will stay there permanently. It won't let you change the channel, it won't let you change inputs, it won't let you get into the menu button. All it will do is let you power it down again. This image shows the location of the screws that you need to remove to take the back cover off. Once you take the back cover off, you will find the main board on the right hand side. There are 4 cables to disconnect. The 2 bottom left hand cables unplug by pressing the buttons and pulling down. The top right cable press together and then it will unclip. The top left ribbon cable has a black tab that needs unlocking before the ribbon cable will pull up. To fix my board, I place it in the oven for 10 minutes at 200 degrees Celsius. I set an alarm so I didn't overrun. After cooling, I reassembled prior to testing. On switching on, the startup screen disappears after a few seconds. Thanks for watching, don't forget to like and subscribe.